Hello to all. Hello. How are you all? Good. And you? So today we are going to play a role play game, and here is my partner named as Pankaj. So today we are going to play a role play game as a citizen and a policeman, and I am playing the role of a citizen who lost his scooty, and he is playing the role of a policeman who will try to find his scooty. So ready, Pankaj?
Yes.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, come. So how may I assist you today?
Sir, actually I had lost my scooty. So could you please help me out with that, because I'm that mentally and emotionally connected with that, because it has gifted by my father on my last birthday, and I was very happy on that time, but suddenly it lost somehow. So could you please help me out with that and try to find my scooty as soon as possible?
Yeah, definitely from my side, but may I know on which time your scooty will be lost?
Okay, before 2 hours, and by the 2 hours I tried my level best to find my scooty, but I wasn't able to do so.
I'm really sorry for that, Nitish sir, but the thing is happened like if we can't register any FIR under the 24 hours. So firstly you wait for the 24 hours, then I will help you with that.
Yeah, so could you please help me out with that particular and write my FIR as soon as possible, because it is very necessary for me to find my scooty.
Yeah, I clear you from my side. Before under the 24 hour, I can't write any FIR from my side. But okay, after the 24, I can definitely write your FIR and help you to with that.
Okay, what will be your next course of action? Could you please tell me?
Yeah, of course. We just check it out the near basically, may you please tell me about the on which location your scooty will be lost?
In the Sangam Vihar near People Chowk, sir.
Near People Chowk.
Yes.
Any store nearby them?
Yes sir, the medical store was there, and a CCTV is also there, so you can take a help from that place, sir.
Okay, but after the registering the FIR, then I will help you with that.
So okay, so sir, you can write down my FIR as soon as possible.
But sir, I can clear out by my side. The thing is happened like I can't write any FIR under the 24 hours. So firstly, you will wait for 24 hours. And other hand, you can just check it out. You just ask about your relatives, about your scooty, so they can help you on that.
Sir, I asked the person who is the medical store owner, and I asked him to show me the footage of CCTV, but he didn't show me. I don't know why. If you will go through this same, so accordingly I hope he will show you, because you are a policeman, and I think personally that it's your responsibility to do so. Could you please help me out again?
But right, the thing without registering the FIR, I can't go with you for the inspection. But the thing is happened, you just pleasing request to the shopkeeper. They can definitely help you with that, because our citizen is very good.
I tried my level best to that convince him, but he didn't showed me any footage of CCTV.
So you can also asking about your nearby stores like the pan stores and any of the kirana stores. You just check it out on there also.
I already done the same, sir. Really, unfortunately, but no one told me about my scooty, sir. I don't know why.
Okay, so the thing is, so you can also do this kind of thing. You know about your scooty number.
My scooty number is 5758.
5758.
Yes.
So you can also you have any tracking number about that? Means you can.
Unfortunately, no, sir.
Okay, unfortunately no, but without any FIR, so I can't go with the inspection from my side. And
it is very new for me, sir. Please try to understand. I hope you will understand what I want to say.
Sir, I will definitely, I will understand from my side. But the thing is happened, like I already cleared you, but without any FIR, I can't help you on that. So this thing has happened.
So, so how much time it will be taking for you to write down a FIR for me?
I already tell you, it's taken 24 hours. So firstly, you wait for 24 hours, then I will write an FIR and.
So for 24 hours, sir, what will I do? You know that there are so many works which I do with my scooty. I go to my job, I go to my gym. So how I will go on that places?
But
you know that.
Yeah, you're right. But as per the law, I can't write your FIR, because last time the thing is happened. Like the customer means the citizens comes on from my side and they tell me the same thing about the lost scooty. But under 24 hours, they will find their scooty, because their relatives take this scooty on with them, okay, without asking those person.
But sir, in my situation, that is not something like that which you are telling me. Please try to find my scooty, sir. Please at least write down my FIR, so it will be on record, sir.
So, but I will already tell you without any, because it's not come on the rules. So that's why I can't write any FIR.
Okay, if you don't mind, so may I ask your position in this police station?
Yeah, I'm a constable.
Okay, you are the head constable or a normal
I'm a head
constable?
constable. That's why I write IFI. You already know things.
Okay, so sir, you are having a good post, so please try to understand my problem.
Sir,
My
but-
father will also scold me that on which place you will lost your scooty.
Sir, but try to understand from my side. If I will do my all the responsibility from my side, but you can understand my position also, sir. Because without any permission, without any, if I write your FI right now, so this thing is happen like our seniors will be scold me. So this kind of things happen, and I will lost my job also. These kind of things if happen, so I can't help you on that.
Okay, so fine it is. Let me tell you the color of my scooty. The color of my scooty is golden brown, and in which helmet is in there.
You just don't give me the any information from your side. You just firstly check it out by yourself.
Because I am being very nervous, so that's why I am giving this information to you, so you can find this scooty as soon as possible.
But the thing is, sir, you check it out by yourself. You can find those places. You check it out the any relatives. Yeah, you check it. You just check it out your friend list, and you just call your friends if any person take your scooty on those place. So you can easily get your information. So
Okay.
firstly, you just investigate from your side. Then I will help you on that. Because if I will help any person in the with the same time same report, sir. So this is not good for our citizens, sir. I think you understand from my side, sir.
Yeah, I understood totally, and you are doing also a job, so there are some responsibilities which you need to fulfill. So I will not force for this, but if you give me some suggestions, so on the behalf I will be able to find my scooty. So could you please give me some suggestions that what can I do best possible from my side so I can find my scooty?
So I give you all the suggestion from my side, sir. So it is best. I will done this kind of best from
Because
my side, sir.
I remember that nobody took my scooty, as you are saying the relatives and the friends, nobody took my scooty. I just went to a juice shop for taking juice, and then I came back on that same place where I parked my scooty. Then I didn't find my scooty over there.
So where you park your scooty, there
Yes.
is any signboard like a no parking of the signboard is
No,
having
there
any-
was nothing something like that which you are saying, sir.
Okay, but sir, firstly you will investigate by your side, sir. Cause without
Definitely I will do, sir. So that is why I'm asking some suggestions from
but
your
sir, you
side.
repeat your words again and again. That's why I told you, sir.
Really sorry for that, sir. I already told you that I'm being so nervous, so that's why I'm making some words here.
Yes, sir, but I understand you're nervous, but it's my duty, sir. Without any FI, without any FI, I can't do anything. And in the under of 24 hours, I can't write any FI.
Even if I will tell my mom about that incident, so my mom will cry. I hope you will understand, sir.
Sir,
Please
I
try
will
to understand.
sir, but it's not my duty, sir. It's your duty. Cause firstly, scooty is responsible by your side, sir. That's why you are responsible for your scooty. So firstly, you will investigate by your side. Then I will help you on that, sir.
Okay, for the very initial phase, I will try to find my scooty in next 24 hours, and if I will not be able to do so, so again I will come to you. Okay,
Yeah.
is it fine?
Yeah, definitely, sir. I will definitely help you with that, sir. After the writing the FIR from my side, sir, and I will help you to investigate and inspect those whole the area from my side, sir.
Okay, so as you see, guys, here is the end of our role playing game, and I hope you all have enjoyed it a lot. Thank you so much.